I just wanted to stop real quick, friends, in between the video you just watched and the video you're about to watch. You may have noticed that my chalkboard had a big plant growing around it in that last video. And that's because that video was recorded 3 years before this video is being recorded. Math 243 used to be called Math 243. It is now called Stat 243Z. And the difference is that the state of Oregon mandated a change in the curriculum to Math 243. Some of it's the same as it used to be, and some of it has changed. So what I'm doing with this new online setup of Stat 243Z is I'm trying to reuse as much of the video material I already created 3 years ago and add to it what I need to add to it as we find those holes. The point being is it takes hours and hours and hours to create these videos, and I don't want to recreate them all from scratch, especially because some of them are pretty good. Now that being said, I mentioned the phrase margin of error in that last video, which may have thrown you for a loop. Margin of error. You may have heard it before too. If you take Math 105, or if you have taken Math 105, you've heard it. All that means, and this is all you have to know right now, all that means at this point is that's the correction I was referencing in last week's videos on how to take experimental or empirical probabilities and make them equivalent to the theoretical ones. Remember how I said they're approximately equal? The way you make them less approximately and more equal is by using an adjustment called a margin of error. We're going to get into calculating those things later in this course. So if you ever hear me reference margins of error in these older videos, don't worry about it. We will get to it eventually in this course. Other than that, just keep on watching.